Hey, just wanted to go back and review a couple of the other forms of levitation. I hadn't really talked about this one yet, well, either of these, in detail. I did some earlier lens law experiment with this, but I never really explained what this one was. Um, so let me go over these real quick. This is my straw. Yay. Okay, so this is a piece of pyrolytic carbon. It's very expensive stuff. It's actually a bunch of it's kind of like graphite. Um, it's a very thin strip of graphite, um, like kind of like what's in pencils or was in pencils or whatever. I don't know. They change it occasionally. But this will levitate over top of an alternating magnetic field. Okay, yeah, we can see that. Alright, and that's because pyrolytic carbon is diamagnetic and has enough, it's light enough to stay above because it's a very thin layer. Alright, and that'll just stay there indefinitely if I keep it there and I don't knock my bookshelf. It'll stay like that, but it's got to stay over the center of 4 of those magnets. Oops, and now I lost it. So let's go on to the next thing. So this thing, it's a 3D printed thing I bought from someone else to demonstrate this. I bought this like years ago. But this is a large neodymium magnet on the top. And then these two things down here, the bottom one and the top one, are actually bismuth. Now bismuth is diamagnetic. So anyway, diamagnetic stuff is repelled by a magnet. And then inside of here we have a neodymium magnet, a very small one. And the weight of that magnet is balanced out by the magnet on top. And then because it is in between two diamagnetic ingots, because it's between these two bismuth ingots, that's why it stays in the middle there, because it's repelled by both of those. Now this is bismuth, which is actually what they use to make shot put, or shot, maybe not shot put, shot, as in like the little balls you shoot animals with or something. So you can actually melt those down to make these ingots. I believe that's how this person made these ones. So anyway, that will just stay there. There's no energy required to keep it there, nor with the other one here. Now what's fun is you can do kind of the same thing that I did with the other version that was up here. This is a powered one. You can do that with this by blowing some air on the side, if I can do it. Did it. Get it to spin up. Right? And it won't stay spinning because there's friction in the air. But it'll stay spinning a lot longer than it would if it weren't levitated. So this type of levitator obviously requires energy, and this actually, I think, uses a whole lot of power to keep these magnets, up in the air. So I normally just unplug this when I'm not using it. But this does not, nor does pyrolytic carbon. Um, so anyway, I just wanted to cover what this was. So have a good day. Goodbye.